Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about nested components. Okay, so what are nested components and how they work? So basically, if I click on this button here, you see that this is a component. Okay, so now if you go to this properties panel here, so you will find under this component too, there is one option here enabled and there is a drop down here. Okay, so if you click on this one, you can see there are two variants here, okay, disabled, okay, and enabled, okay. Now if I go to this one, this icon here, okay. So for example, I don't want to change the button here, but I want to change the icon inside this button, okay. So here you see there is an option, okay. So you see there are different options here, right? For example, this one, add, download, and then open, right? So this is how easily we can switch between the icons. And also, like here basically we have used a component inside another component. Okay, so how we are actually going to do this? Okay, so with a very simple basic example, I'm going to show you how I have done this, and I'll explain you one by one. Okay, so first of all, I have these icons here. Okay, so I want the icons to be 19 by 19 pixel. Okay, yeah. Now let's rename these icons. Okay, so that it's easy when you select the variants, it will be easy for you. You know what you are selecting. Okay, so download, let's name it as add, and then open. Okay, now I'm going to take the text tool here. Okay, and then I'm going to simply write label. Okay, just write label for now, because afterwards I'm going to change the name of the button, so let it be label for now. Okay, so let's hold on shift and then click on A to apply auto layout. Okay, now you have this. Now I'll add a fill to this button here. Okay, uh, then the color I want this color. Okay, and let's change the color of the text to white. That's it. Let's give some padding around it. Okay, that's it. I think so. That's enough. Okay, so now my button is ready here. Okay, so let's a little bit give rounded corners to this button. Yeah, just make the corners a little bit rounded. Okay, and then first of all, let me make these as a component set. Okay, now select all the three of the icons and then click on this drop down here and then create component set. Done. Easy. Now just take one of the icon from here. Okay, and then hold an alt key. Okay, drag it and put it inside this button. You see, add it. Okay, okay, let me change the color of these icons. I want it to be white color, not black. Okay, let me add some frame so that it will be visible. Okay, okay, done, right? So now our next step is going to, we have inserted one component already in this button. Now let's make this also as a component, this one. Now what will be the other variant for this one? Okay, so just click on, hold on alt and then copy this button here. I'm going to make this as disabled button. Okay, maybe just decrease the opacity. Yeah, That's fine. Okay. So let's name this as enabled and then disabled. This one. Okay. Now select both of them and then click on this drop down, create component set. Done. Okay. Now what we are going to do is our nested component is basically ready. So we are going to click on the alt button and then take one of the instance. I'm going to take it out, and then instance is just like the copy of this one. Okay, we don't usually use the main component, we take the copy of that component. Okay, so here now let's make the changes here. Okay, for example, I want it to be for example, let me name it as download. Okay, okay, my download button is here. Okay, now next I want it to be open. Okay, let's change the icon here, that is open, right? Okay, the last one was add, right? Okay, let me change the icon here. So it was so simple, like in different use cases you can use these buttons now very easily. Now for example, I want the disabled one. Okay, for example, I want to make this as disabled. So your button should be selected here and then click on the disabled. That's it. Okay, so that is all about nested components. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear. Okay, and let me know if you have got any doubts related to this topic. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.